Hello, this is Ricky, the YouTube tech guy. Hey guys, so today I'm bringing you the most important feature of the Galaxy S26 that was upgraded, and that is Photo Assist. Now, this one might not get highlighted as much, but Photo Assist really did have one big feature update, and that is now when you edit a photo, you can actually just type what you want to happen to the photo. And that means that you can do so much more, and it brings it so much easier to more users. So once you click edit a photo, you can type things that you would normally have to use paid AI for to be able to do, such as taking a photo of yourself, put yourself in Paris. Want to try out an outfit on your phone? Well, take a screenshot of the outfit or download the image, take a full body photo of yourself, and then just put the actual clothing on you, and you can see how it looks on. Have a cloudy day outside, you can actually edit a bright sunny sky or a moon in the sky very easily. So these are all things that you normally have to pay AI to be able to do at this quality and this easily. And the reason I see this is such a big deal because my siblings, kids, and parents don't use AI. They might use filters before posting a photo on social media, but they're not going to use AI. This makes it more accessible and easy enough for them to be able to use it and change their photos in ways they didn't even know they could. This really is on the cutting edge to make AI easier to use. Built into the Gallery app, you don't have to download a third-party app. You just edit and tell it what you want it to do, and that's it. You can change the color of your shirt. You can do anything just by typing it, and that is so easy to be able to do. I was actually really impressed by a test photo that I did with this. I just typed in a shirt online for Kingdom Hearts. I downloaded the shirt image. Then I said, put this shirt on me. And lo and behold, it was able to put it on me with putting the shirt design underneath my lanyard and pendant that I had on. That is really cool, and it's very impressive. It's not gonna get it perfect every single time, but out of the gate for it being able to do this, plus keeping all of your editing history as well, is a really cool start at this level. Now, a lot of people might say, well, this is software-based, so won't we be seeing this on older Samsung phones eventually? Maybe. The problem is with older Samsung phones is that this processor is newer, and that just means that the NPU, the chip that actually determines how fast AI processes on your phone, is about 40% faster than last year's. So will they put this on older phones? Maybe, but the main difference I would say is the fact that this makes it easier and it's faster, so you won't have to wait those 1 to 5 seconds longer that older units might take, is gonna make a difference. So I think ultimately your experience is gonna be better on the S26 with this AI feature edit. Make sure to subscribe because we're gonna have all of the features that stand out on the S26, as well as a lot of samples from the phone itself. Thank you as always so much for watching. This has been Ricky, the YouTube tech guy. Thank you so much again for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Also, follow me on social media at YouTube Tech Guy. And check out some more great tech videos on your screen right now.